Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a magnificent day. None of the crew's with me today. I'm gonna do a lone video today, back to the roots, but today I'm gonna be showing you 3 unknown features about your 2019 to 23 Silverado. Let's get into it. You may not know it, but all 4th gen Silverados are able to roll their windows down with the key fob. So you just hit the unlock button once and then hold it a second time. And all your windows should roll down, no matter the trim package of your vehicle. They should all roll down. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I cannot roll them back up with the key fob. I don't know if the High Country can do it, but all the way up to LTZ cannot roll the windows back up with the key fob. So if you're anything like me, you probably get lazy from time to time. When I leave my vehicle, you know, I'm parking in a tight spot, I forget to close the mirrors, no worries. LTZ, High Country, I don't know if the RST can do it. I know the LTs can't do it unless they're trimmed with the higher class mirrors, you know, all that safety bull crap. But to do it, we're gonna get your key fob, we're gonna hit the lock button once, and then hold it a second time. And voila, your mirrors are folded in.
Nice.
Let's move on to the next. Now let's go over about the interior. So we're inside, we're gonna be going into our settings. There's a couple features that, you know, a lot of people don't know about that they might want. You might not want, maybe you want to turn something off. So we're gonna go into settings, and when we lock our vehicle with our remote, maybe you want to hear a horn, maybe you want lights, maybe you want headlights to come on, you know. So there's a bunch of settings in here. We're gonna go to remote lock, unlock, and start. And then remote unlock light feedback. You can have the flash of lights, or if you don't want lights at all, if you want to stay a little stealth, you can. Remote lock feedback. This is a lot of what people can't find. Lights and horn, lights only, horn only. You know, it kind of varies on the person. I mean, there's a bunch in here. Remote door unlock. You know, you can go on and on. I have a lot more than what an LT or an RST would have, but for majority part, it's gonna all be about the same. So a lot of people don't know this. A lot of people have covered it all over YouTube, internet, blah, blah, blah. But we're gonna be talking about the traction control, how to turn it completely off, because people turn it off and they think it's completely off, but it's not. So we're gonna hit it once and you can see traction control off, okay? So that's not completely off. Hit it one more time, turn it back on. Now, hold it. Traction control off. ESC off. Now, your traction control is completely off. And you're good to do a little squirrelies or little burnouts, whatever you want to call them. You're welcome. There's 3 hidden features you may not have known on your 2019 to 23 Silverado. That's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna go hang out with the guys, maybe have a little bit of fun with the traction control off. You never know. But you guys take it easy. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
My time has come.
Psych!